Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. Alright, so we're gonna do this video on resetting the ECU. First of all, you probably want to reset your ECU because, I don't know, maybe your vehicle is acting a little bit weird. Maybe because you have a check engine light and you're trying to get rid of the engine light. Maybe because you changed out a part and you want to reset the check engine light because the part has been replaced. A lot of people reset the ECU for many reasons. Some of those reasons could include just getting the car to operate as smoothly as possible, particularly if you guys have any kind of idling issues. Sometimes this will clear any kind of idling issues, but for whatever reason you guys need to reset it. I'm going to tell you guys how to reset it on your Nissan or Infiniti. It's very simple. Okay, first of all, what you guys want to do is you guys want to either put your key in the ignition, or if you guys have a push start, you guys want to get the push start to the on position. You guys want to get the key or the push start to the on position. Both those position is essentially before the crank position, where all the lights on your dash are on. Once you get into that position, the on position, what you guys want to do, if you guys want to step on the gas pedal and release it 5 times in less than 5 seconds, it really doesn't matter how fast you do that. The press the pedal and release it, you just need to do it within 5 seconds. And you guys want to just press it down all the way. All right, after that, what you guys want to do is you guys want to release it. You guys want to wait 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you're going to put your foot on the accelerator pedal and you're going to hold down for 10 seconds. Around the 10-second mark, what's going to happen is your SES light's going to blink on and off. What you want to do at that point is you're going to release the gas pedal for 10 seconds after that. And then you're going to step on the gas pedal after that 10 seconds and hold it down for 10 seconds and then release it. After that, you're going to turn your car off, and then you're going to turn your car back on, and at that point your ECU should be cleared and your check engine light should be off the dash. All right guys, I'm gonna do it with you right now. So you're gonna either turn a key or push the power button without putting your brakes, without pressing your brakes. All right, and it's gonna be to the on position where all the lights on your dash are on. All right, you're gonna step on your gas pedal within 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It really doesn't matter how fast you do it. And then you're gonna take your foot off the gas pedal, and then you're gonna wait 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then you're gonna put your foot on the gas pedal for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, and then at this point your SES light should be blinking. Okay, you're gonna take your foot off the gas pedal, and you're gonna count 10 seconds. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At that point, you're gonna put your foot back on the gas pedal, and then you're gonna keep it there for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then you're gonna turn your key to the off position. You're gonna turn your key on, and at that point your ECU should be reset and your check engine light should be cleared from your dash. Wow, right? So we guys, hopefully you guys get it there. And just to note, you're gonna do this all with just the key or ignition being in on position. Your car will not be on. Okay, throughout the whole entire stage, your car will not be on. It would just be in the on position. The on position is that position where all the lights on your dash are on. It's that position right before the crank. You're not going to crank your car up. Okay, but just to note, if you guys did all this and your check engine light is still on, or it went out and it came back on immediately, definitely at that point you guys know that you guys have a more serious issue, and that you guys should definitely get an OBD2 reader to scan it and to just to see what exactly is the issue. And if you guys have an OBD2 reader, it's a $20 OBD2 reader you guys could get from Walmart. They're inexpensive. They might be a bit more these days because of inflation, but they're inexpensive, and you guys could actually do an erase of the reset the ECU with the OBD2 scanner by erasing all the codes. When you guys do an erase, you guys should when you guys do an erase of all the codes, even if you guys have no codes, but chances are if you guys have a check engine light, you guys are gonna have a code. You could, when you guys do an erase, it actually just resets the ECU also. And if you guys have issues after doing that, the other way you guys can do it is you guys could literally go to the battery, take the negative terminal off the battery. Some people say you could do it for a minute. Sometimes, well, not some people, but sometimes you can take it off for a minute. Other times, I've heard that you might want to take it off for like 24 hours. But to be honest with you, you take it off for a minute, it should actually reset a whole lot of things, including your ECU or your check engine light. But in any case, hope this has helped you guys out. If you guys have any questions or any kind of your own personal experience with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. It might help somebody else out. Please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Please leave comments. Leave a comment if you guys want, good, bad, or whatever. And hopefully this helps you guys out with your situation with your car. All right, guys, take care.